Manila's ally, the United States, offered to escort the resupply mission, but the military insists it will only seek help once they have exhausted everything.
When our troops are already hungry, they don't have any supplies anymore because our resupply missions have been blocked and that they are on the verge of dying, then that's the time we're going to seek the help of the United States.
Maritime law expert Professor J. Batong Bakal agrees with the AFP's decision, saying China might react strongly if the U.S. conducts escort missions in the West Philippine Sea.
Malaki yung implication doon sa level o parang tensions. Kaya din ang gobyerno, ang armed forces, maingat din, no? Na hindi basta-basta lang gagawin yun, no? na magpapa-escort sa US.
Batong Bakal says it is also important for the Philippines to show it can stand on its own, and requesting for help should only be done as a last resort.